Hey Lavish fam, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hey and welcome. My name is Nisha and on my channel I do all things lifestyle, DIYs, and hauls. So in this vlog, I'm going to be doing a clothing haul. And the company that sent me these items is Rotita. Rotita is an online website that sells all things women. And their things range all the way up to a 4X. So they have swimwear, they have pants, tops, jumpers. They have everything that, we need to just, feel comfortable in our own skin. And it was my first time ever hearing of them, but definitely will not be my last because I was definitely impressed with everything that they sent me. And I will definitely be packing most of this stuff when I go on vacation in a couple weeks. So without further ado, I'm gonna jump right in because it's quite a bit of items. So the first thing that I received was this two-piece swimsuit. And just for a reference, I am 5'4" and I weigh 185 pounds. Okay, so the first thing is this tankini. So these are high-waisted. They have the little strings on the side. And this is a size large. And then here's the top. It do have the removable bra pad things. If you're one of those people that don't like them, or if you're a person who do like them, I'm one of those people that kind of sometimes do. Most of the time I do. I usually will keep them in. But that's what it looks like. It has the razor back. Very soft, and really good quality. So that's this one, and it has the full underwear in the back. I also like for most of my butt cheek to be covered, so this worked out pretty perfectly for me. So that's the first one that they sent. Okay, cannot wait to wear it. And then I got this really pretty blue and white romper. Baby, this thing is super cute. Okay, so look at the top. So the details on the top is what got me. So it has this little eyelet in the right in the front, and then this is the straps. It's like more of a satiny type of material. It's lightweight, but it's not see-through. So it's perfect for like the summer. It has really good stretch in it. So if you eat too much at dinner, you can still, you won't feel too bad in this outfit. It has the zipper down the back. This is a size large. It has the tie. It's like more of like geometrical shapes and stripes, which I thought was super cute and classy. So if you wanted to dress it up or dress it down for just like everyday look, you could. But it was given everything it was supposed to have given. So that's the second piece that I got from them. And then I went outside my comfort zone a little bit and tried this other swimsuit because I've never had a swimsuit with this type of material. It's more of a cottony type of material, and it has these little like polka dot things on it. But she was super cute, honey. I was worried because I ain't got a whole lot going on up here, but I was able to like tie this tighter. And, they stayed in. They also have the removable, like, breast pads in there. And this is also a tankini. And the underwear, well, the bottoms are high-waisted. Full coverage in the back. And then it has the little ties on the side that kind of are see-through, which I thought was super cute. Very good detailing. And we're gonna try and see what this feels like on vacation, if it dries quickly or whether or not, it takes a little bit because of a different type of material. But it's cute either way. I really like it. I was like, like I said, outside of my comfort zone and trying something different, but this was super cute and I'm glad I did. And I also went with green because that's like one of the colors that I'm starting to kind of like add more into my like wardrobe. So got this. Okay, so the next one is this really cute orange romper. Baby, I love a romper and a jumper. It also has the cross detailing in the front. And then right here in the back, you can adjust the straps to however you want them. You know, like I had to do them really tight because I don't have nothing to kind of like hold up. But either way, that's what it looks like. I did kind of struggle a little bit getting in this one, and then I had to have my daughter come and like pull the straps, like, you know, tighten them up. But then once I, you know, had her fix it, and when I took it off, I was perfectly fine. So like, you know, probably before you put it on, you want to make sure you adjust your straps some. And then when I, you know, I could take it off and put it back on pretty easily. But that was because you have to also, once you adjust them, they also have these little clasps on them to go down in here. So that's just something that you want to make sure that you look out for, and you have someone in, you know, to help you at least the first time that you wear it or whatever. But and then maybe the next time you already know, but I didn't. So I had it on. I was like, what am I supposed to do now? So she was able to help me, and like I said, I was able to take it on and off after that. And it's very good quality. It's soft too. It's like a satiny type of material. It's not see-through, just really nice and lightweight. All right, so the next thing that I got was another swimsuit. This is a one-piece. It also has the little bralette things in, the shields, the bra shields in it. It ties around the neck, but it has this really low plunging back to it, which I thought was super cute. Because, you know what I'm saying, it's like it covers, like it's very, very full coverage, but then it also gives you the sexiness because it has your entire back out, which I thought was super cute. The color is super, super nice. It's a very like soft blue. And then it has the little detailing on the top and around the side. But that's the next item that I got. And then I paired it with this cover up. It's like, it looks very simple, extremely simple, but you just slide your arm in and wrap it around, and it's a complete cover up. And this came in multiple colors. I thought this was pretty cool because I've never seen a cover up like this. But you could just roll it up, and it wouldn't take up much space in your suitcase because it's super small and it's thin. So, and like I said, it came in multiple colors, so I thought that was pretty nice. All right, so the next thing that I got was, this was a super, I was like, this is super cute. It kind of gives me tennis outfit, but it's a swimsuit. So it's these little bottoms. It has the little lace skirt on them, and it has the full, you know, panty under it, you know, but it has the little lace skirt that basically is almost like a cover up on top of your swimsuit, because you don't really need another cover up because this is already a cover up. And then it has the little baby doll type of top with the lace on it as well. Especially for people who like to be a little more modest with their swimwear, this I thought was super cute. And it has the little top underneath, the little clasp on the back to close it. And yeah, I just thought this was super cute. It's different. And now, like I said, you don't even need a cover up because it comes with its own cover up. Okay. Then next, I end up getting this little cheetah print swimsuit because gotta have a little animal print here and there. And it's a one piece, and it also took me outside of my comfort zone because I have a scar right here in the middle from like a surgery that I've had a couple years ago. And it's, you know, at first I wouldn't wear anything that showed it, but now I'm like, I mean, embrace who I am. So it's this, like I said, cheetah print, and then it has the little around your neck tie, and then it kind of sits like this, you know, or whatever. And then it has the little clasp on it. And it ties, which I thought was super cute. So that's the next one. Okay, classic, black and white is this two-piece. I mean, this one piece, I'm sorry, this one piece. This is super cute because I love how both of the straps go over on one side. I just thought this was super cute. And then it has like the back out. The detail on this is just, it's like color block. Yeah, it's like a color block swimsuit. But the stretch, the material, the stretch, the quality, yeah, they did this. These swimsuits are very, very good quality. And it's also the full panty. And then I had these cover-up mesh type of pants. Now, I'm 5'4", so these kind of hit me right at the bottom. They were just long enough, you know, so if you're taller or maybe, you know, a taller person, these may be like short on you, but they fit me perfectly. And this was a size large as well. And they also stretch. Everything, I mean, everything had really good stretch in them. Look how much that stretches. So just the some cover-up pants. All right, so I also got this cover-up, which is white. This is more of a classic type of cover-up to me. But it's like a linen material, very lightweight, flowy. It has a tie on the back. So if you want to bring it closer, you could, so that it stays up better in the front. Has the elastic waist. This is like classic all-inclusive resort to me. That's what I kind of get from this. I see a lot of people in cover-ups like this at the all-inclusives. So that's this one. Last but not least is this super cute jumper. Romper, correction. So it buttons down the front, and then it is like more of a satiny type of feel. It also has stretch in it, because like I said, all their clothes that I received seem to have some form of a stretch. It has pockets, which we love. We love a pocket. And I feel like you can dress this however you want. Like, so say if you wanted to wear like, you know, just like some classic, like Adidas, like the shell toe ones, cute. If you wanted to put on some like wedges, cute. If you wanted to put on sandals, cute. This is one of those very versatile outfits that you can pretty much wear on just the everyday basis, or you can just kind of wear it to something like even to work. You know, if you're one of those people that work like in the office, you can dress this up and wear it to work. I absolutely adore this because it's like a very good quality to where it's not too heavy, it's not see-through, but it's light enough that you should not be sweating too much in it. So that is the last item that I got from this company. I will link everything below. I believe my discount will be, I'll have it across the screen. I believe it's 10%. I will link everything that I got in my haul as well as their website. I totally appreciate them for sponsoring this video, and I cannot wait to wear these things on vacation. And if you're interested to see any of my vacation posts, it will be on my other channel, Nisha You Went Where, which is in the description box. And I would love for you guys to go on vacation with me and experience some of the things that we have planned. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up this vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.